Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can view which photos you have shared with somebody else in Google Photos, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be using this post on the support page for Google Photos as a sort of guide and go through it and explain how you can see which photos. Now, if you share it in a conversation, which you can do so by actually using Google Photos and sending it in Google Photos, you can just go to that conversation with that person and you'll be able to see which photos you have sent. Alternatively, if you send a link or share via other apps, you can go into those apps and go into those conversations and just check them out like that manually. And that is pretty much how you do it if you share them like that. If you shared individual photos and videos, this is how you need to check them out. It is pretty much the same for both computer and Android. I have made videos on how you can share the photos and videos through a link or through other means, so you can check them out if you want to, but that is pretty much how you do it. Now, you can also share albums in their entirety, and you can do that very easily. Now, if you create an album, you can share it pretty much the same way as you would this, and you can check it out in the same way by just going to those conversations. But another thing you can also do is you can add a account, which is a collaborative account. You can add somebody else and you both have the shared files, which you can access at any time. I have made a tutorial on how you can share your photos and videos through that, and pretty much you can just access those files, which is pretty much collaborative albums themselves, and you can just browse through those albums in Google Photos and you'll see which of those are shared. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.